Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name's Brian. In this video, we're going to talk about common items and where they are with the expressions there is and there are. Let's go. On the table, there's a plant, there's a book, there's a computer, there's a notebook, there's a pen, there's a phone, there's a clock, and there's a cup.
For one item, such as a book, we use is. Is there a book? Yes, there is a book. There's a book. Is there a plant? Yes, there is a plant. There's a plant.
On the table, there are two plants, there are two pencils, there are two pens, there are two cups, and there are two phones.
But for two or more items, we use the word are. Are there books? Yes, there are books. There are books. Are there plants? Yes, there are plants. There are plants. Don't forget, with questions, we put the verb be first. Is there a plant? Are there books? Remember, the forms of be are here in the box. Are there books on the table?
Yes, there are books on the table.
Are there plants on the table?
Yes, there are.
Is there a cup on the table?
No, there isn't, but there's a phone on the table.
Is there a notebook on the table?
Yes, there is.
Are there any dogs on the table?
No, there aren't any dogs on the table, but there's a dog in my arms. What is there on your table? Are there books? Are there pens? Is there a plant? Is there a computer? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Lingoni English. See you soon.